Hey guys, back with another unboxing video. So I got myself today a ZOTAC GTX 1070 Mini. So this is a graphics card that I purchased recently that's going into my wife's computer. So my wife uses an NZXT Manta for her case, so small ITX build. So something high-end yet smaller was what I was looking for. So the nice thing about this GTX 1070, as you can see from the box too, is it's a mini PCB. So it's actually, the PCB is even smaller than the cooler. It's really small. But anyways, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what's in the box. So this is my first time ever actually owning a ZOTAC graphics card. I've had ZOTAC, there's Z boxes, so the mini PCs, but I've never actually owned a graphics card. I'll have to say, you know, on the start, the packaging is pretty nice. So all right, here we open it up. What do we get? So we get a manual, looks like, or maybe a software disk. Let's see, there's a couple different things in here. So let's see here, we get a software disk. Let's see, what is that? A badge. Ignite more possibilities. So yeah, so it just kind of talks about some of the things of the card. So if you have a GTX 1070, probably gonna get all those same things. Let's see what else. Quick start guide. Anything else in here? Nope, empty little folder. It's kind of nice that they actually provide a little folder for this stuff. I usually enjoy keeping these things, but what ends up happening a lot of the times is they either get lost or super bent because they're all like flumbling around. So the nice thing is that they actually come with that. So, all right, let's see what else we got in the package. So we got, what was that? 2 6-pins to an 8-pin. I'm very happy that they include these because sometimes, you know, they're definitely needed. But I will say that the looks of these is pretty bad. So I'm used to my EVGA card. So that's kind of what I usually go with for graphics cards. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a 1070 Mini in an EVGA card, especially with stock being crazy as it is today. But I will say I definitely feel like this dongle here is much uglier than the EVGA ones. Let me go grab one of those real quick. So yeah, this is what I was talking about. So here's an EVGA 6-pin, 2 6-pin, 2 8-pin. So look at the difference between the EVGA one and the ZOTAC one. So I would say night and day. The EVGA one is much nicer. Like you get this nice kind of braided cable here, as well as all black, where the ZOTAC one has like a weird zip tie on it, along with like clear components or clear connectors. I don't know. You can judge for yourself, but it definitely looks like what I'm used to with these EVGA connectors are much nicer than these ZOTAC ones. But anyways, beside the point, I didn't buy it for that connector. I bought it for the card. So we'll see what the card looks like. Let's move the box out of the way here. So okay packaging, I guess, inside. I mean, I'd prefer more of a bag over top of this, but I guess that works. Anyways, so yeah, so there's the card. So you can actually see how small the card is. A standard PCB would be, I would say, about this big. Actually, let me go grab a comparison here. Okay, so I went ahead and grabbed my EVGA Superclock Gaming 1080 cooler here, so you can see the difference. So a standard 1070 would be about the same size as this 1080. This is even a smaller 1080 compared to some of the other 1080 coolers. And just look at, you know, the size difference. There's, I would say, a good 2 inches shorter on the ZOTAC 1070 Mini. And that's really, you know, what I bought it for. So happy about that. From like a thickness of the cooler, so again, there's no card on here. The actual card from this cooler is water cooled currently, but you can see the thickness of the coolers are about the same. They're just way smaller in terms of actual footprint, which is nice. So hopefully this fits in her ITX case quite easily. So anyways, that's pretty much all I had for this video. Hope you guys liked it. yeah, catch you in another one.